Welcome to the magical world of AI communication and focus, where technology meets a touch of magic. Introducing your new writing wizards, the Magic Wand and the AI Assistant. Curious to see the magic in action? Let's hop over to Focus and check it out. With the Magic Wand, just highlight the text you want to change, or click the icon to adjust your entire message. Choose from a variety of options and watch it transform. Review the AI's magic touch, then decide if you want to replace your original text, insert the newest suggestion below to keep both, or try again until it's just right. Whether you want to improve your writing, make a message longer or shorter, expand your ideas, or change the tone or style, the Magic Wand pairs perfectly with the AI Assistant to make it happen. Are you starting with a blank canvas? No problem. The AI Assistant has you covered. Simply tell it what you need and watch your ideas come to life. So go on, try Focus AI and turn everyday messages into something truly magical.